me once, fool me twice. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. You could get replaced, ayy.
So I'm currently up in the mall right now. I'm dropping the kids off. And after this, I'm about to go over to Best Buy and try to find a camera so I can get better quality in my videos. You can't see, you gotta step back. Step back, 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 back. There, now you're in there. You ain't gonna say nothing? No. Bye. My hair is wild, do not mind that, but I got the camera. I'm about to go up into Burlington real quick.
Are you going to the airport? Let me help you get there.
That's all.
It's the prettiest.
Let's see.
Oh, I know what you put now.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm currently at Quick Trip. I'm about to run up in here and grab some gas. And what am I doing? Oh, I'm about to go over here and help my mama take some stuff off her wall and probably pack up a little more things. And then after that, we are going to go to the movies to see the Minions. And
Yes.
that's about it happening today. So let's go grab this gas real fast.
We could sneak some chips in the movie theater. What? They
Killing
can.
all these people out here. What we doing? These people judging us. These people out here.
Well, it might not be the right theater. And if they do, here's
You getting something? Go. Okay, shut the doors.
a motorbike can get through here, Mom. I just know. Stop, Sinatra. That's your irritating. Elliot.
What's this movie called? He got big that fast. I went to do that, and that boy didn't get big now.
5. 10 or 5. I don't know. He says he's 5.
Hey, Andre and Terry and Jackie.
Okay, I'm just gonna untie you now because I need you to do some stuff for me around the house. And it might be, you know, kind of nice to have a little company around.
Made it back home. I'm not even about to hold y'all because it's kind of dark right here. But the movie was cool and everything. Had a good little time. Ain't really too much else to be said. You've seen the little clips of that. And I'm going to go ahead and check in with y'all. Probably tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm coming back on here tomorrow or not because I'm not even sure what I'm doing tomorrow. So I ain't even going to say that. Yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Don't mind all this stuff, y'all. This needs to go back over. Be put up. But this, before we went to the movies, we had went to Cub Foods to grab some snacks and stuff. I got these Cheez-Its, Pringles, and what is this, Rice Krispies. This I want to make caramel cake, so I got this. I'm not sure where's the rest of my stuff at. I got this Eco Brands, and then some bread. I never had this bread before, but I got this bread. Samir picked this, and this hot dog buns. Where is the rest of the stuff? I know he must have, over here. And then I got these soft tortilla bowls and some salt and pepper. And this is actually what I needed so I can make me a breakfast real quick. And then, I don't know, I need to clean up. I made me this, what is this thing called? Yeah. I made me an egg sandwich with some bananas. Then Samir right here, he just has some raviolis, some fruit, and applesauce. Just a quick little breakfast. If you want to see how I made the egg sandwich, go ahead and watch my TikTok. And yeah, I didn't feel like recording all that, y'all. I'm tired and I have a super big migraine headache right now. We'll go ahead and eat, and then I'm probably checking with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and take this variety pack of snacks and try to put them up in here. These ones that I just showed you a minute ago. I just had got done straighten up this stove area. I'm probably not gonna do the Pringles because that's kind of big, you see. But I was thinking I could do these. I probably can place it in there like that. So that works. I'm trying to find some white cheddar ones. Like, what the heck? They way at the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to put 6 to make it even number. And they only gave us 6 white cheddar anyway, and 10 of the original. It's the fact that it is, what time is it? 2:18, and I'm still cleaning up. I just did put them containers up in here. I just did this like this for now. Samir just actually cleaned this drawer out, wiped it down, and took everything out, and I just put it back like this. So that's what it's looking like. I had got done washing dishes and stuff, so yeah. Everyone's a superstar.
No.
So you guys just seen me, well, today is, what's today, Monday? Today's Monday, y'all. Y'all just seen me do the laundry. I'm out here looking wretched because I can. And I got Samir up in the back, Saji up in the back. Guess they ain't speaking to y'all. Well, one did, one didn't. I'm about to go up in here. I'm at SA, about to go up here, grab some money out the ATM. Then I'm about to go grab us something to eat and probably stop at the store. Then go back home. I got to take down some of your hair, fold the laundry and put it up and stuff like that. Just wanted to check in with you.
She just gets there. She just wants to see everyone. And I'm like, dude, we don't say hi to everyone. She's a big... Sorry.
It's okay. Walk off. We making it back. I went to McDonald's and Samir got some rice and then I got some Burger King. Y'all see me sipping on the milkshake, kind of almost melted. But we about to get in the house, get to this laundry. Alright, I just got done folding up the laundry as y'all just seen. Now I'm about to go over here and what's this? Take down Samir hair so I can get this done, y'all. It is, I don't even know. I think it's almost 5 o'clock. So it's almost 5 o'clock. So yeah, I need to get the day. Well, I need to get moving on his head because they got a dentist appointment tomorrow. So let me do that. Yes.
Today is Wednesday.
We are currently at
The dentist.
Today is Tuesday.
Oh.
Yeah, Tuesday because swim lessons later. We are currently at the dentist, y'all. I'm about to take these two to get their teeth looked at. Later on, we're going to swim lessons, and that's really it. That's on the agenda. So
Also, we discovered a new, an older restaurant that we used to go to, so we might go there.
yeah, we're doing construction, I guess, at this dentist. We pulled up, y'all. The whole thing was gravel, dirt, like. When they got all this stuff here. Dental patients enter here. Children dental service. Got us in through the ghetto. Y'all know they don't be wanting people to record in these dental offices, so I'm gonna turn y'all off here. You said you was having tooth pain before. Yeah, but when you get home, it'll be back. Don't be scared. You gotta tell the truth.
We're just looking. We're not doing anything.
We'll do something later.
Wait, I just gotta get those back to you. Awesome, almost done. And you're all set. I'll go ahead and set you up.
Close your mouth.
Today's red. I
You can go
know.
ahead and swallow the vitamins. And the taste will go away after you swallow the teeth.
Drink water. You should drink water.
You do.
I forgot it.
Go ahead, sit on your tray. Sit down.
I need braces.
In the future, not now. Braces are cool.
No, they're not. I need. I thought you would need braces, maybe.
You'd be so handsome. I know, I don't mind it. Sanajay thinks he don't eat anything. That's why he thinks it tastes nasty.
Aftertaste tastes good.
It's a bird. Did you see the bird up there when you was up there?
What? No.
No, up there. You was looking right above your head. When you go down, you can see it.
Yeah, I can't see. I see it. It's that. It's the grass. I thought it was a real bird.
Oh, you was ready to run.
No, I was So,
Look at the teeth.
so my teeth are not normal.
Overbite. Alright.
Let me see your bite.
My bite don't got a bite. I had great teeth. Besides, when I let the wisdom teeth come in, it pushed it over a little. I was supposed to get them taken out. I didn't listen. And that's how I got little crooked.
When do I get braces when I'm 50?
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
No, he's already crossed.
Now, let's see how yours go, Mr.
Braces.
Papa.
The braces.
It's okay.
Braces.
It's okay.
You can't brush your teeth. And I won't look good.
Get cool tools to brush your teeth.
But I won't look good.
Jabrice have.
I don't want them.
I won't.
The needle was in me.
It's like a poker thing. It's not a needle. So we about to go up in here. We just came from
I need one
up
to
in
hold.
here. We just came from the dentist. I'm gonna give y'all a report about that in a minute. Kids don't like no holes. How was the dentist for you? Oh, he gonna give you a report later. He's acting funny. You can smell the food already.
Hey, truck. Please, a truck.
Go get the door. This is the food. That's Italian beef with hot peppers dipped. And then the kids just got fried.
Trying to get you to wake up.